Today, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone in the Strava app. So I'm starting here by opening the Strava application on my phone. Once the app loads up, I'm looking at the bottom navigation bar where I can see different sections. From there, I'm going to tap on you. This takes me to my personal profile area where I can access all my activities and account information. Now that I'm on my profile screen, I'm looking at the top section where I can see different tabs. Right here, I'm going to tap on activities. This shows me a complete list of all the workouts and runs I've logged recently. It's basically my activity history, and this is where I need to go to find the specific activity where I want to tag someone. At this point, I'm scrolling through my activities list until I find the one I'm looking for. Once I see it, I'm going to tap on that activity to open it up. This brings me to the full activity details page where I can see all the stats, the map, and any information I've already added about that workout. Now I'm looking at the upper right corner of the screen and I can see three dots up there. I'm tapping on those three dots and a menu appears with several options. From this menu, I'm selecting Edit Activity. This is what allows me to go back and make changes to anything about this workout, including adding tags or updating the description. Once the editing screen opens, I can see different fields I can modify. There's one field here that says how did Go share more about your activity. This is the main description area where I can write notes about the workout or mention other people. So I'm tapping on that field to start typing. Now that the text field is active, I'm typing in a message like run with. After I type that, I'm adding the @ symbol. As soon as I type @ Strava starts showing me a list of people I can tag. I'm typing in the name of the person I want to tag right after the @ symbol. And now I can see results appearing at the bottom of the screen. These are people from my Strava connections who match the name I typed. From that list, I'm tapping on the correct person's name. Once I select them, their name appears in the description field with the tag properly linked. This means they'll be notified that I tagged them in this activity, and anyone who views the activity will see that I did this workout with that person. Now that the tag is added and everything looks good, I'm scrolling down to the bottom of the editing screen. There's a button here that says Save Activity. I'm tapping on that now to save all the changes I just made. As soon as I tap Save, Strava processes the update and the activity is now saved with the tag included. And that's it. The person I tagged has now been mentioned in my Strava activity and they'll receive a notification about it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.